Hi, and welcome to Simple Logistics. So today we are going to discuss about the kanban system. The kanban cards are a way to ensure that your production runs smoothly and produces only what's necessary when necessary. So it's one of the support pillars for the just-in-time manufacturing, lean manufacturing, or Toyota production system, however you want to call it. As I mentioned in previous videos, the just-in-time implementation requires at least three support pillars. So one of the support pillars is 5S. It's very important, an organized, clean Gemba or shop floor for just-in-time implementation. The other support pillar is the tact time or tactizite. That is to balance the workforce and have the right resources to produce the amounts necessary for market demand, and also dictates the rhythm of production. And finally, the third pillar is the kanban system. Kanbans, they are used to prevent overproduction. Overproduction is one of the wastes that just-in-time tries to eliminate. When you overproduce, you create buffers between one department and another. You create WIP or work in process inventory, and that is not desirable within the just-in-time manufacturing. The other thing about Kanbans is that they reduce the number of mistakes in production because they not only signal that the next process needs more parts, but they also signal which parts do the next process needs, because the Kanban has information about the part that was consumed and that needs to be replaced. So Kanbans are an easy, uh, kind of intuitive way of managing production without using or requiring expensive softwares, for example, expensive computer networks. So you can do all that using little pieces of paper. It's important to have a lot of discipline when using Kanban. So sometimes when I see a just-in-time implementation failing, or people blaming Kanban for a breakdown in production or some other production problem, is usually because people don't understand the importance of these Kanban cards, and Kanban cards get thrown away or something like that. So you don't have the necessary buffer between one process and the other. It's very important when you create these cards that you take into account what is the necessary buffer when you have processes that require longer setup periods or that require production batches. Then you need to create more Kanban cards to allow for this batch production. And these Kanban cards cannot be misplaced or lost or damaged. Otherwise, you'll have production delayed, and it will reach a point when assembly line, for example, will require a component that is not available because there were not enough Kanban cards in the system. So it's very important to for the workforce to be instructed about the Kanban system, how it works, and how important are the cards to organize production. Also, it's important to have a very clean, neat, organized Gemba. That that is a requirement. That's why I explained about 5S before I explained Kanban, because otherwise these cards will get lost. These cards will get damaged. These cards will get dirty, and they will be thrown in the garbage. So it's very important for a just-in-time production to happen in a clean, organized Gemba, and for you to have the Tactizite and the Kanban cards in place to allow for smooth manufacturing without overproduction. The other way, especially for Western companies to replace the Kanban cards and the Tactizite, is by using the theory of constraints. So you can use the drum rope approach from the theory of constraints. Basically, does the same thing as the Kanban cards and the tact time in a just-in-time environment. So you can choose one or the other, and the result will basically be the same. Good luck in your implementation. These systems, both systems, the theory of constraints and the just-in-time system, they are perfect for inventory reduction, and they allow for very smooth and efficient manufacturing. They are good systems for today's world. Was all that I had for today. Thank you for following our channel. Please hit like if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified when new videos are available. Thank you. Bye.